Mga investments na pwede sa balansang appetite pagdating sa investing. Hi, I'm Cian nga pala, a wealth coach and providing you quick fix to your money problems. So ano-ano nga bang investments ito? Number 1 is REIT or Real Estate Investment Trust. Ang REIT is isang stock corporation kung saan in-establish sila to own an income generating real estate assets. For example, mga shopping centers, apartment buildings, offices, or even mga hospital. Number 2 is index funds. Ang index fund is pwede in the form of mutual fund, UITF, or ETF. At ang goal nito is to mimic the performance ng isang market index. For example, yung PSEI index, nakareflect doon yung performance ng top 30 na largest companies here in the Philippines. Number 3 is yung mga dividend stocks. Merong mga companies na kapag bumili ka ng stocks nila is nagbibigay ng dividends. Lalo na kung maganda yung performance ng stocks na yon. Number 4 is mutual fund. Siguro madalas nyo na itong naririnig yung mutual fund. Pero kung wala kang idea, yung mutual fund is a pooled investments na manage ng mga fund managers. And lastly, lalo na kung may asset ka naman, pwede kang mag-rental property. So ikaw, kung gusto mo pang matuto about investing, pwede ka mag-send ng message sa akin. Or pwede ka rin sumali sa Facebook group ko, Hustle District. Doon nagsishare ako ng ideas and ng mga thoughts ko pagdating sa investing and finance. Yun lang.